Before buying an energy-efficient cooling fan, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many fans promise to save you money and keep you cool, but the real differences are often hidden beneath flashy features.
Product number 1, Honeywell TurboForce Air Circulator. First up is the Honeywell TurboForce Air Circulator. It's a small yet mighty fan that's perfect for your desk or bedside table. Priced affordably at around $30. If you want a powerful fan that doesn't take up much space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan operates 25% quieter than similar models, making it ideal for bedrooms or office spaces. With its aerodynamic turbo design, you can feel a refreshing breeze from up to 25 feet away. Plus, it has 3 different speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head, so you can easily customize your comfort. Over 30,000 units sold in just the past month show that people love this fan. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it may not be powerful enough for larger rooms. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a small to medium-sized space, it really packs a punch and will help you save on energy costs. This is perfect for you if you need a compact fan that can easily fit on a desk or bedside table. Skip this one if you're looking for something to cool a large living room. At its price point, it's a solid investment for personal cooling. Now, if Honeywell's quieter operation is what you're after, the next fan on my list might actually be even better for large spaces.
Product number 2, Levoit Tower Fan. Next is the Levoit Tower Fan, which comes in at around $55. This sleek 36-inch fan caught my attention with its innovative design and quiet operation. If you want a fan that combines style with efficiency, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Levoit features a unique airflow design that mimics natural breezes, offering a soothing experience. With a wind speed of 25 feet per second and 90 degrees oscillation, it can efficiently cover large areas, making it perfect for your living room or bedroom. It also operates at a whisper-quiet 28 decibels, ensuring you won't be disturbed while sleeping. The smart temperature sensor automatically adjusts the settings based on the room's temperature, keeping you comfortable without wasting energy. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit complicated to set up initially, but honestly, once you get the hang of the remote and settings, it becomes really easy to use. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish, efficient fan that can adapt to your comfort needs. Skip this one if you want a more straightforward mechanical fan control. For the features it offers, the value is excellent. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list takes a completely different approach when it comes to cooling. Product number 3, Drio Tower Fan. Moving on, we have the Drio Tower Fan, priced at about $80. This fan really surprised me with its upgraded DC motor and high airflow efficiency. If you want a powerful fan with customizable settings, give this one a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Drio boasts wind speeds reaching up to 28 feet per second and a quiet operation at just 20 decibels, making it ideal for both work and sleep. It features 8 speed settings and 4 modes, allowing you to customize your cooling experience easily. Plus, the 90-degree oscillation ensures that air reaches every corner of the room, which is vital during those hot summer days. Now, some users have pointed out that it doesn't have a built-in timer, which can be inconvenient for some. However, I think the performance and range more than make up for it, especially if you're using it alongside an air conditioner to maximize cooling efficiency. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that can cool an entire room without being noisy. Skip this one if you need a timer feature and prefer simpler controls. At this price, the performance is definitely worth it. Now, if Drio's power and quietness intrigue you, the next fan might impress you even more with its versatility. Product number 4, Drio Adjustable Height Fan. Next, we have another Drio product, their Adjustable Height Fan, retailing for about $70. I really liked how this model offers height adjustability along with impressive airflow. If you're looking for a fan that offers versatility, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan can circulate air effectively up to 90 feet away, which is great for larger spaces. It operates quietly at just 20 decibels, making it perfect for nighttime use.
The adjustable height feature, 38 to 42 inches, means you can set it up according to your needs, whether you're watching TV or sleeping. With 8 speeds and an auto mode, it automatically adjusts the airflow based on the room temperature, ensuring comfort without wasting energy. Now, some buyers have mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but I'll be real with you. Once you get it together, it performs exceptionally well and efficiently cools any space. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that adapts to your living environment. Skip this one if you're looking for a fan with a simple design without the need for adjustments. The price point offers great value for the features provided. Now, if you found the adjustability appealing, the last fan on my list is a fantastic budget option that still delivers solid performance.
Product number 5, Amazon Basics Tower Fan. Lastly, we have the Amazon Basics 28-inch tower fan, priced at just $36. This one caught my eye for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still cools well, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan delivers powerful airflow, which is great for enclosed spaces like bedrooms or home offices. With 3 speed settings, you can find the perfect level of comfort. The oscillation feature ensures that air circulates throughout the room, providing consistent cooling. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in smaller spaces without sacrificing performance. Now, some users pointed out that the mechanical controls can be a bit less convenient than remote controls. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a straightforward fan without any frills, this simplicity can actually be a benefit. This is perfect for you if you want an effective, no-nonsense fan that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer having a remote or more advanced features. For its price, it's an excellent value for those needing basic cooling. All right, now that we've gone through these 5 options, you have a great range of energy-efficient cooling fans to consider for your home.
So, to recap, the Honeywell TurboForce is perfect for compact spaces. The Levoit Tower offers style and smart features. The Drio Tower is powerful and versatile. Another Drio model gives you height adjustability, and the Amazon Basics fan is a budget-friendly choice that still gets the job done. Each has its unique strengths to meet your cooling needs.